All right, guys, so I got a really easy one for you today. I want to show you how to start an Instagram group chat. Super easy process. Let's jump in. Now, obviously, we need to open up our Instagram account. And from Instagram, we're going to go into the messages. With the messages open, we would select this create new up here in the upper right hand. And we're going to simply select create a group chat. And then here we'll select who we want to be in the group chat. Now, I do believe you need to be connected to the person for them to be in the group chat. So let's see. Yeah, so if there's not a relationship, a follower relationship, you won't be able to do it. Now, once you have everybody ready, you can add a name. I'm just going to call this one test, and then we're going to create the group chat. And here it is. This group chat has been created. And you are good. So super easy video today, guys. I hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.